I have been wanting an Our Place Wonder Oven for years, and I am so thrilled that Our Place just gifted me their 12.7 quart oven in this beautiful blue salt color. Now in this video, I'm going to show you everything you get, and then of course, we have to make some recipes. So let's put this to the test. Now this is essentially an air fryer meets toaster with steam infusion. I just want to show you all the sides, as I love seeing what these really look like all the way around. Both of the sides are that same beautiful color with venting. The back is the same shiny stainless steel with matching pattern to what the inside has. It has a really nice handle in the front. Feels really good to open up. Opens beautifully. Closes nicely as well. And this really is a 6-in-1. It can air fry, roast, toast, bake, reheat, and broil. And unlike my main oven that takes about 20 minutes to come to the correct temp, this should take less than 3 minutes to reach temperature. And it ranges all the way from 250 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And the steam infusion really sets it apart. You can twist open this little top notch right here, and then you can pour a couple tablespoons of water into it, and it will steam the interior. This is amazing for so many things. Think baking bread, which loves to have a good steam. But also, if you are reheating food in here, that extra steam will really help make that food taste fresher and be less dry overall, bring back the moisture. So this is a really nice addition, and it really is just a little top that's covered, and you just put the steam right in and then twist that closed. Now, another part I love about Our Place is they are very focused on the planet and making sure that everything is toxin free. This is all stainless steel, very, very clean materials. It does have one non-stick pan, and this is a ceramic coated bake tray that is verified to be free of PFAs, Teflon, any known toxins. Our Place goes out of their way to make sure that your food not only tastes delicious and is a joy to cook, but also is great for you. So this is the first tray you get. This is your nonstick tray. Wonderful for those cookies or anything that you don't want to have stick. Then you also get your air fry tray. And when you do the air fry mode, it's almost like a fancy convection mode or just a convection mode. It's going to be hot and the air is going to circulate a lot. And that's what fries it on all sides, as long as it's on a tray like this. And then you have one last shelf, and that is this more standard slatted shelf. This is really nice for simple things like toasting some bread. This would be perfect for. And then the final one is really your crumb catch. This just goes on the bottom, and all of these really do just slide in easily. So that one's great if you're doing air frying or toasting bread, as you can just slide that in. But if you want, you can cook on both of these levels as well. You can just get more of these exact same pans, or you really just can put any bake-friendly pan in here as long as it fits. So you do not need to keep the crumb tray in. You could also just be baking something on that bottom shelf. There are a lot of options. Now, when it comes to the dials, they really are quite simple. Your first dial, you can choose your temperature. And then the middle dial helps you choose your mode. These are really a joy to spin. It starts with air fry. We have the bake, broil, reheat, roast, and toast. And finally, you have your timer. It will automatically turn off at the correct amount of time. And you'll want to spin it up. You always want to get it past 10 minutes, as that will start it running, but then you can spin it back. So if you only want it to go for a couple minutes, you can twist it back to exactly where you want. And you can hear it. It's doing that very standard click, 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 click sound as it's counting down the seconds. And when it hits the end, and when it's finished, we'll make a really nice, obvious bing to let you know your food is done, and it will turn off at that time. So let me plug this in and make some quick meals. From simple to more complicated, I cooked 3 quick meals on it within 24 hours. And I gotta tell you, I am giddy excited by this oven. It cooked up a burrito wonderfully. I made some Korean chicken wings, and those came out so good. Nice and moist on the inside, crispy on the outside, just delicious. And then I did one of our normal sheet pan suppers where I do eggs and a bunch of potatoes and sausage and veggies, and that came out better in the Wonder Oven than it did in our main oven. This is a real treat. I highly recommend the Wonder Oven.